Have you ever wondered how to keep your garden vibrant all year round? The secret lies in seasonal shrubs. Spring, for instance, is the perfect time to introduce rhododendrons and azaleas. These shrubs, with their vivid hues and varied growth habits, can add a dash of color and allure to your garden. Thriving in cool, well-drained soils and partial shade, they require minimal care but offer maximum impact. With these spring shrubs, your garden can burst into life and color as the weather warms up. As spring fades and summer arrives, it's time to switch up your garden scenery. Hydrangeas and butterfly bushes are summer stalwarts, thriving in the heat and adding vibrant colors to your landscape. As summer gives way to autumn, consider planting viburnum and witch hazel. These shrubs provide spectacular fall color, and their growth habits, ideal conditions, and care requirements are easily managed. With the right selection of summer and autumn shrubs, your garden can remain a beacon of beauty even as the seasons change. But what about winter? Can your garden still thrive in the colder months? Absolutely. Let's consider winter shrubs like winterberry and snowberry. These hardy plants can add a pop of color and interest to your garden when everything else seems to be sleeping. Winterberry flourishes in wet conditions and produces vibrant red berries, while snowberry, true to its name, delights with clusters of white berries against the snow. Regular pruning and a sunny to partially shaded spot will keep them happy. With these winter shrubs, your garden can remain vibrant and appealing even in the depth of winter. And there you have it, a selection of shrubs to keep your garden vibrant all year round. From the delicate blooms of spring to the hardy foliage of winter, each season has its own star players. Understanding each plant's requirements for sunlight, water, and soil is crucial to ensure their optimal growth. Remember, a vibrant garden is a year-round commitment. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.